Located on the East German countryside is a unique piece of industrial heritage, an old traditional ceramic workshop where ceramics were produced for nearly a century. During our exploration, we stumbled upon a creature trapped in a hole. Join us as we uncover the remnants of this industrial relic. We embarked on our adventure at the outskirts of the terrain. Swiftly we discovered an entrance to a room that appeared quite ravaged. Postcards were scattered all over the ground. The reason for this remains unknown to us. With this, we ventured deeper into the building in the search of more intriguing rooms. The products crafted here were primarily decorative pieces, including pots, bowls, cups and jugs, once exported throughout the whole of Europe. The legacy began when the factory first opened its doors at the dawn of the 1900s. Our journey led us to the first highlight of the complex. The ancient coal-powered kilns. While this room was really impressive, our attention was quickly diverted by something else.
Waar? Is hij dood? Oh, oh.
A distressed hedgehog was trapped beneath a kiln, prompting an immediate rescue operation. We wasted no time and began by clearing the hole. Using a pan we found, we carefully scooped the hedgehog to safety.
Ja, dit is denk ik niet echt een mooie manier om dit te doen.
Duw een beetje, ja?
Ja, is goed.
Maar lopen, schatje.
Hij is helemaal verstijfd.
Anders hou ik hem tegen en dan doe je...
Oké, hier.
Een beetje. Ja, gaat.
Ja, oké.
Ik
Doe
doe
maar
het
even.
heel hard hoor, maar je moet zelf een beetje inlopen ook.
Oké, moet je hem nu even omhoog doen?
Ja, dan lukt het.
Oké. Hier, ja. Ja. Ga maar. Zo. Hey.
Although the hedgehog seemed capable of walking, we decided to offer it some water and a slice of banana. Which it seemed to enjoy. After a short while, it ventured back into the wild. Allowing us to resume our exploration. Right here within these kilns, clay moldings were transformed into luxury ceramic products. Natural light now streamed into the hall through the collapsed roof, creating a unique blend of old industry and flourishing plant life amid the rubble. The factory had significant decay in all sections, demanding great caution as we explored. Atop the kilns, the molded pieces were neatly stored, appearing as if they had been left untouched since the factory's closure. Since its inception in the early 1900s, the factory had remained in continuous production, even during the East German economic transformation under the DDR regime. We descended to explore other parts of the factory. Which held little more than structural collapses and a more modern looking kiln. Unfortunately, over the years, the factory had suffered extensive damage from vandals, further accelerating its decline. Through a narrow corridor, once used for applying glaze to the ceramics, we entered a truly remarkable yet precarious area. This space served as the storage area for the finished items, still filled with various artifacts. Some racks teetered on the brink of collapse, supported only by decaying wood. To understand the factory's fate, we must rewind to the 1990s, when East and West Germany reunified. The factory, operating within a communist economy, had seen minimal modernization. Rendering it unable to compete with Western counterparts. Consequently, around the turn of the millennium, the factory was abandoned and left to decay, leaving behind a legacy of quality ceramics, seemingly forgotten. With this, we conclude our episode, acknowledging that the factory's future likely involves demolition. In the meantime, nature and wildlife continue to reclaim what humans once abandoned.